starts with the letter M, Steve N.
Are they gonna be contacted with their phone number and
Yes,
everything?
so that's Kamaya Coast.
Yes.
The second one is Emma. This one I'll mention the name now. So
Yes.
yes. Name? Okay. Emma Segi.
Emma Segi, ay.
S-E-G-U-I. Okay?
Bisaya to Segi. Segi lang katawa.
Ayun. Pakihawak lang doon. That's two. The third one is Chantel Malambini.
Ay.
Malambing? Oh, sorry, Chantel Malambing.
Bisaya din kasi
Siya
Chantel.
Malambing. Diba Ilonggo? Fourth place is Jennifer C.
Jennifer C.
Hi, Jennifer. Oh, sorry. And the last one for Kumaikos is Cora San Jose. Okay, kukontakin po namin kayo. Yan po,
Thank you so much.
congratulations.
Ayan. Kukontakin po namin kayo. Magdadala po kami ng pulis sa bahay ninyo. At kayo na pong bahalang
And we're
mag-explain.
recording this so we know who the winners are. Okay? And this is
Okay,
This one
now,
is third prize.
who will win $175 Canadian. Giselle, sino ang nanalo?
ang nanalo ay Pesita Montanos.
Priscita Montanos. Priscita Montanos, pakipunta na lang po sa ating booth. Ayan.
175.
Pakita na po ng inyong ID at birth certificate from NSO.
Ayun po yun.
Okay, and second prize, who will get a chance to win $250 Canadian. Ay,
Nanalo ay si
hindi ko mabasa.
Jewel.
Jewel.
Jewel lang siya.
Jewel lang siya. Ayan.
Ticket number 5949.
5949. Sana nandito sila, di ba?
Okay,
And
and the
ito na talaga
Magkano to?
ang 1,200
1,000?
Canadian dollars. Diyos ko, malaking pera na yan. Pwede nang ipadala yan sa Pilipinas sa mga kamag-anak natin na walang ginawa kundi humingi lang ng pera. Charot. Ang daming nakarelate, oh.
Ano gusto humingi ng pera? Meron po tayo dyan, Remittance Company, okay? So, ano po, madali na lang mapadala.
Ayan. Kung hindi pa magbigyan, siya pa ang galit.
Mas lalo na yung nangungutang dogs,
Oo,
di ba?
diba? Sa ngutang pa. Pag nangungutang, umpisa na, hi, kumusta ka na? Ganun talaga.
Pag sinigil mo na paano na.
Oo, pag siningil mo, kaaway ka na. Diba? Ang galing.
Alright, and the winner is...
And the winner is, the drum roll. Drum roll.
Anong
Ano
klaseng
tayo? Improvise na lang tayo ng drum roll kasi busy sila.
Pakiulit nga, dogs.
And
And
ang-
drum roll, please. The winner of $1,200 is Art Cancelo.
Art Cancelo.
Number 137. Congratulations.
Yes, maraming salamat Art Cancelo. Ayan. Sa mga nautangan ni Art Cancelo, ito na po ang chance yung masingil. Kasi nanalo po siya ng 1,200 Canadian dollars.
Kahit na
Ayan.
konti-konti, mabawi. You can just look for Lot. She's going to be at the Blue Fiesta Extravaganza
Yes.
booth. But tatawagin din po ang ating mga winners. But, nako, mauna na ako sa inyo, guys. Dahil ito na ang pinakahintay nyo, I will leave it to Doms. Dahil siya na po ang mag-introduce
Ayan.
kay Pina. Once again, Giselle Mirasoto of Remax. But andito lang kami and have a great time. Thanks
Palakpakan po
everybody.
natin si Giselle. Ayan, sa mga gustong mag-invest, mag-buy and sell. Ayan. Ay, ito na ang nawawalang bata. Paging the mother of the
Sandali.
lost girl.
Sandali lang po.
Ay.
Actually, kanina po kasama ko tong bata.
Okay.
Nawawala po siya kanina. Okay?
Ay, oh my God.
Tapos po, pero po, nahanap na po siya na kanyang nanay. Siya po si Jewel yung nanalo ngayon.
Ay, si Jewel, ayan.
Say, do you wanna say thank you?
Yes.
Ayan po.
Do you wanna say thank you to your mom that she didn't pay attention to you?
You're her tita. Okay.
Tita
So
pala.
tita, yan pala ang trick. Iwala mo yung anak mo, baka manalo ka.
Ah.
Ganon.
So ikaw bang nagbantay ngayon?
Ayun.
Ay sa Melis Balutan pala.
Akala ko ba natatawa ko ng children's
No, kasi-
services?
Hindi siya nawala. Nagbibenta siya ng balut. Hindi napansin.
Invite everybody to say balot. Bumili po
No.
kayo ng balot,
No,
okay?
this is how you
Sabunin
say
na.
balot, Jewel.
Ayan, Jewel.
This is how you shout balot. Balot!
Can you try
You
that?
say that.
Ayan! Palakpakan po natin siya. Congratulations, Jewel. You won second prize, right?
Yes, I think so.
I think
but we
so.
still have to confirm that with Attila.
Alright.
Congratulations.
Okay,
Ayan.
Jewel, say goodbye to everybody. Say bye.
Ayan. Ang swerte naman ni Tita, hindi pa binantayan ng mabuti, nanalo pa.
Tita, wag na natin wala yung bata, ha? Thank you. Bye, Doms.
Thank you so much once again. Let's give a round of applause for Giselle, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan. Oh my God, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody here for coming this afternoon to spend our Fiesta Extravaganza here in Bonn, and of course to support ang ating star tonight na walang iba kundi si Miss Vina Morales. Kaya magpalakpakan tayong lahat! Yes! Also, gusto ko lang batiin ang aking mga friends na nagpunta dito. Si Basil, ayan, follow her sa kanyang YouTube. And Tita Lorna, andito din yata si Bella from Hamilton. Ay, there you go, ang mga Diyosa ng Hamilton. I would like to invite everybody sa Hamilton Fiesta Extravaganza po, July 27, 28. I will be there with Ariel Rivera. Okay, maraming salamat. Sino ba? Kasi ngayon dumami na tayo. Asa ng mga Bisaya dito? Sus, kadagang Bisaya. Mga Bisayang dako, magsaba. Once again, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Doms. Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, nice to meet you everybody. Sa mga nakakilala naman sa akin, muling pagkikita po, ayan, marami pa tayong mga events na magkikita ulit. Sana supportahan niyo po ang series of Fiesta Extravaganza. After nito, kasi nangyari na sa BC, we also had, saan ba? Sa Toronto, yes. And then this time sa Bonnie Fiesta Extravaganza. Next week will be sa Brampton with Gabby Concepcion. Yes, si Mr. Gabby Concepcion, ang ka-love team ni Sharon Cuneta. Oh, diba? And then sunod-sunod na, you can follow all our social media accounts, ladies and gentlemen, Fiesta Extravaganza. Also, gusto ko magpasalamat sa ating head ng Fiesta Extravaganza, si Kuya Von Canton and Ate Lot, for always trusting me with our Fiesta Extravaganza Star Segment, Artista Hour. Ayan, kasi ang Fiesta Extravaganza is the festival of all festivals. Kaya ready na ba kayong lahat? Sino ang gustong marinig live? Dito, live na kantahin ni Miss Vina Morales ang kantang Pangako Sa'yo! Yes! Naalala niyo yun? Diba? Sino ang mga Claudia Benavista dito? Ang mga nang-aapi. Okay. Okay, public service announcement. Meron pong may-ari ng isang sasakyan na iniwanan ang dalawang aso sa sasakyan. Sa parking lot, ang Honda vehicle, plate number CL RX 079. Ayan. Kung sino po ang may-ari ng Honda vehicle na yon na with the plate number, meron pong naiwang aso sa inyong sasakyan. Ang tanong, totoong aso ba kaya iyon? Or baka aso-asuhan lang? Pero, okay na, okay, ayan po. Paki-ano na lang po, please. Kasi, dito sa Canada, hindi po natin pwedeng ganunin ang mga aso. Diba? Sinong mahilig sa aso dito? Ang dami. Pati sa gabi, mahilig din kayo sa aso. Hindi pala pwede kasi wholesome dito. Ayan. Hello po, tita. Ayan, okay lang po kayo dyan? Okay po? Ikaw po, kausap ko, kuya. Okay lang po kayo? Ayan. Okay. Ayan po, keep yourselves hydrated, ladies and gentlemen, okay? And this time, ladies and gentlemen, magpa-practice muna tayo kasi hindi po lalabas si Miss Vina Morales since it's her first time tonight here in Bonn Fiesta Extravaganza. Dapat magsigawan, maghiyawan ng malakas pag tinawag natin si Miss Vina, okay? Nakita ko po ang line-up ng performances ni Miss Vina Morales. Siksik, lig-lig talaga, grabe. Punong-puno tayo tonight. Sulit na sulit ang inyong pagpunta ngayon. And after this hour, we are going to have our photo op with our artist, Miss Vina Morales, sa mga may wristband po. Okay, sabay-sabay po natin i-chat. Vina! Vina! Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Louder! Ayan, parang may Vena. May Bisaya talaga dito. Vina po, hindi po Vena. Ha? Vina Morales po. Ulitin, ha? Ulitin natin. Vina, hindi Vena, ha? Okay. Vina! Vina! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, sabay-sabay tayong lahat! Louder! Mga madlang people, I give you the ultimate performer, Miss Vina Morales!
Fun! Are you ready to sing and dance with me? Let me hear you scream! Come on, everybody! Come on, fun! No matter how hard I try, to believe it. But after all the said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh. It's like a whirlwind. I was not supposed to let this love get through. Hello mga kababayan! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ha? Ang lamig, ano? Oo, parang nasa US lang tayo. Parang Tagaytay lang, di ba? But anyway, thank you so much for being here today. This is your celebration. And let's give a big hand to the Philippine Extravaganza for Arts, Culture, and Heritage. For bringing me here to Von, and also to Von Canton. Let's give him a big hand. And to the whole team. I'm so happy to see everyone tonight. Today, that everyone's having a great time. Daghan pag Bisaya, dari. Ay, mga Ilocano. Kapampangan. Ang mga Ilocano ay thank you. Kapampangan, Mikeni. Mga Bisaya, Ilonggo, parang ganun din yan Bisaya. My dad is from Bohol, so Ilonggo din. Ha? Taga Manila! Parang konti lang.
Taga-Bugo!
But, you know, to all of you who came here, maraming salamat. But let's give yourselves a big hand. Alright, since this is your celebration, because this is like yearly, right? So, I'm just so happy that I'm one of the guests today for the One Fiesta Extravaganza. So I want this to be very special. Actually, I just came from the US and flew here. And I'm just so happy that I get to perform for all of you today. Gusto niyo bang mga teleserye ang aking awitin? Alam niyo, hindi ko napansin na napakarami na palang teleserye kong nagawa na theme songs. So I'm really grateful to ABS-CBN, TFC, for giving me the chance to sing the songs of the theme songs of mga teleserye. And so we made a medley of those beautiful music just to bring back those memories. Diba? Oo, diba? Nakakamiss ang Pinas. So I'd like to bring this medley of music And I'm sure familiar po kayo. So if you feel like singing with me, just go ahead and sing with me, okay? All right, here we go. Ito sa aking pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. Lower the mic, please. Humanap ng iba. Tayo pa ang umaga. Sing with me. Malayo pa. Kailan ba darating? Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. sila. Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo riyan, lalong tumatamis. Bis kita mahal. Bigla ako napasayo, yan na lang yata yun. Ay nako, napakasarap kumanta kapag ganito ang audience. Maraming salamat. Okay, so, ready na ba kayong magsayawan? Tapos na tayong magkantahan eh. Alam ko na mahilig tayo sa mga karaoke, di ba? Tayo mga Pinoy mahilig talaga at saka sa mga teleserye. So, again, once again, palakpakan naman natin ang Philippine Extravaganza. We call it Peach. Ayan. And of course, to the whole team of Philippine Extravaganza for Arts, Culture, and Heritage, let's give them a big hand just to give you entertainment and happiness today. So I'm just so grateful to be here. And once again, well, actually, I see some friends over here. Where's Paolo Tolentino? He's my road manager from Star Magic. Of course, Javier, and even Miss Beverly. Of course, Von, Pao, of course, is there. Nandun pala si Pao. Okay, so, do you wanna dance? Yeah! Sige, kaya ganun-ganun na lang. Okay, ganun-ganyan. Pwede, no? Oo. Alright, here we go. to the club. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm Thank you! Thank you, Vaughn. Hi, Dons.
Wow, palakpakan na natin Miss Vina Morales! Such a concert experience, the total, the ultimate performer. Not just in the Philippines, but all over the world na ayan. Pahingan muna natin si Miss Vina kasi, Diyos ko, grabe no? Kung sa Bisaya pa, banggiitan, howd kayo, grabe ang tingog.
Thank you, Kayo. Thank you, Dark. Thank you, everyone. You're such a great audience. Thank you very much. And I'd like to thank this personally, because I think the last time I was here was 12 years ago. Sa Toronto, 12 years pa, wala pa ako anak nun ah.
I know. Pero parang walang pinagbago, Miss Vina. Ang bata-bata mo pa rin, grabe. Diba? Tapos pag sumayaw, grabe. Todo talaga, as in walang nakaka-proud. And ang voice quality, my gosh. Bisaya na mestiza, ang galing ng boses, as in ikaw na talaga mapapasana all. Diba? Agree kayo, right?
Thank you.
Pasampol pa. You know what, guys? Mga ka-fester, extravagancer, half pa lang po yan ng pinakita ni Miss Vina kasi marami pang susunod, Miss Vina, right?
Well, actually, not so much because there will be other entertainers today. But I'm just so glad that everyone's here and enjoying themselves. But again, to Peach, thank you for bringing me here. Sa ulitin?
Yes! Because for sure, nabitin sila. Bitin na bitin, right? Yes. Pero that's a good thing. At least meron pa kayong ilo-look forward. But before anything else, Miss Vina, would you like to invite them and let them know about your upcoming shows? I've heard you've done a Broadway show as well, right?
Yeah, I performed in New York, Broadway, New York, last year for Here Lies Love. I felt so blessed to be able to do the part of Miss Leia Salonga. Well, she was in another musical in London, so I was there for like a month. And ako yung gumanap ng role ni
Miss
ni
Leia.
Leia.
Wow,
Yeah,
palakpakan
good
naman
friend of
natin!
mine.
Proud Filipino! And of course, aside from capturing the stage of Broadway in New York, you've also done a lot
I
of
was just
movies.
finished. Yeah, I just finished at Sunny. It's a Filipino adaptation. The original is a Korean film. And it was just shown like less than a month ago before
Yes.
I left. Because I did a show, I'm sure baka mag-Netflix to yun. But anyway, it's called Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y.
Parang
So it's a
ngayon.
Filipino Sunny. Oh, and then I was just in Arizona to do a show. And I will be back on August and September for my solo shows and a back-to-back concert with JR.
Yes, but that would be in the US, right?
In the US.
So
yes.
hopefully you'll
August,
have a
September.
concert here in Toronto. Gusto niyo ba yun? Ayan na, Miss Vina.
Oo ba?
Diyos ko sa kakatiti ko kay Miss Vina, manikang-manika, naging lalaki ulit ako. Charot.
Ganda-ganda,
Oo.
oh. Sobra.
Ka-outfit ko naman si Robin Padilla, di ba yung best?
Talaga. Nakatuwa naman kayo.
Okay, Miss Vina.
Okay.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the ultimate performer, Miss Vina Morales!
Ito na. Ito na yung pangako sa'yo. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at hinanong ang aking pag-ibig. Noon, akala ko ang wagas na tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Pangako sa'yo, pangako sa'yo. Thank you. Once again to all of you, maraming salamat. To Peach, let's give them a big hand once again. All right, let's go back to the 70s. I love the nightlife, I've got to boogie on a disco and I Thank you. God bless you, Juan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Sige po, Vina kayo, Vina. Vina! Vina! Vina. Sorry, di na po siya babalik. Tapos na po. Ayan. But before, ay,
Okay, you guys want some wine?
yes! Ay, ayan, Diyos ko, grabe naman talaga si Miss Vina. Pinagbibigyan talaga tayo ni Miss Vina. Ang init kasi po.
Sobra.
I
And of
know.
course, anyway, but I am happy to be performing for all of you today. Okay, ito yung mga sarili natin. So it's your last chance to sing and dance with me for today, okay? I hope to be back here soon. Thank you once again to Peach. Let's give them a big hand. Alright, mga kababayan! Wala rin mangyayari kung pag-isipan ka. Maghihintay na lang kung sino man iyan. Kapuan ng puso ko, tuloy ay ako. Come on, Juan! Woo! Galing lang ako sa inyo. At ako'y niloko mo. Pinag-usapan alas 8. Nagkakalaban naman. Okay lang sa akin yun. Sana'y di na lang nagbago. Isang linggo na yata ang nasigarilyo. Inaabang nga ng Pasko. Wala rin mangyayari kung pag-isipan ka. Come on, put your hands in the air! Hihintay na lang kung sino man iyan. Kapuan ng puso ko, tuloy pa rin ako. Hala! O mga Pinoy! Hala! Ipapamsasa sa pagtingin natin. Sana ay pinawagwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag na huwag makalimutan. Natakot ko naman na lagi kang pakitinggan. Magpakailanman. Rock and roll! Wag ka tayo magpapakain. Kahit ko ay
Morales! And we are gonna do a groupie. Ayan. sa ating mga organizers. And of course, you guys, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. My gosh, I was looking from the back.
Raise your hands! Dapat nakaupo tayo.
Ang saya-saya niyong tignan, ayan.
Hindi sila kita eh. Baba, baba, baba.
Baba daw tayo, sana makita tayo.
Everybody say hi! Woo!